We didn't know really it was going to be this much snow, and I thought it was just going to be sleet. And I never seen a storm where we got some moisture and had a snow. Usually when we get that snow we had the other day, it's gone, and then we don't see the snow again for maybe a month or a year. But it was very unusual how we got this second lap of snow, and it's historical about how it done to the road, because it hadn't been this way. I've been in Charlotte all my life, and it has not been this way on the roads since 1981 or 1982.
Rough out here, man.